In the vacuum of space, a nuclear bomb does not create a shockwave, a fireball, or a mushroom cloud. Without air to physically compress and push, the explosive force is practically useless, but it trades physical destruction for something far deadlier. An invisible, expanding sphere of pure radiation that instantly weaponizes the Earth's own magnetic field against the surface below. As modern global conflicts rely entirely on orbital constellations for precision strikes and early warning, the ultimate tactical move isn't shooting satellites down one by one. It is simply turning off the sky. Welcome to Space Facts. Let's break down the apocalyptic astrophysics of a high-altitude nuclear detonation and why blowing up a bomb in the vacuum of space is the fastest way to end the digital age. On July 9, 1962, the United States detonated Starfish Prime, a 1.4 megaton warhead exactly 250 miles above the Pacific Ocean. Because there is no atmosphere to absorb the thermal energy, a space nuke releases roughly 70% of its yield as raw X-rays and gamma rays. The physics of the resulting destruction are governed by Compton scattering. When these high-energy photons slam into the thin upper atmosphere, they violently transfer their momentum to electrons, knocking them out of oxygen and nitrogen atoms. These freed, hyper-accelerated electrons are instantly caught by Earth's magnetic field, violently spiraling around the magnetic lines. This massive synchronized movement of charged particles generates a high-altitude electromagnetic pulse, or HEMP. The bomb doesn't blow up the ground. It turns the entire ionosphere into a massive, downward-firing microwave gun. In 1962, that EMP blew out streetlights and microwaved telephone systems in Hawaii, 900 miles away from ground zero. Today, detonating a single 2-megaton weapon in low Earth orbit would be an extinction-level event for modern combat. Look at the hyper-networked reality of the Middle East theater. Every Arrow 3 interceptor, every drone swarm, and every early warning radar relies on a fragile web of satellites. An orbital detonation instantly unleashes an artificial radiation belt. The immediate EMP physically melts the unshielded power grids on the ground, but the trapped radiation violently degrades the solar panels and microprocessors of every satellite traversing that altitude. Within weeks, 90% of low Earth orbit constellations would permanently die. An attacker sacrifices their own orbital assets to guarantee the enemy is thrown entirely back into the analog dark ages in a matter of milliseconds. A nuclear weapon in orbit proves that the most devastating way to use a bomb is not to destroy a city, but to permanently delete the invisible electromagnetic infrastructure that keeps the modern world alive. If this space nuke breakdown changed your perspective, hit that like button. Subscribe to Space Facts for more space science and universe deep dives.